If you want to make some money but don't want to give up your current lifestyle, you are probably interested in a way to make at least $100 a day. The good news for you is that there are many ways you can do this. The bad news is that you may have to do a significant amount of work if you don't currently have the skills to make money in an instant. However, if you want to make at least $100 a day, this is still quite feasible. Become a transcriber. The task of the transcriber is to turn audio into text. There is a huge need in the online space to do this remotely. Now the average hourly rate is between $4 and $15. This means that you will either need to find customers willing to pay more, or you will need to be able to convert audio very quickly to compensate for the low rate and reach your desired income level. You make $15 an hour at best, and you only need to work 6 to 7 hours a day to make $100. Advantages: huge demand online, no qualifications required, the faster you type the more you earn, you can work from anywhere in the world, you can choose your own schedule. Disadvantages: if you earn a lower hourly rate, you will need to work more hours. Write an ebook. Writing ebook is different from regular email correspondence. Here it's advisable to develop your own author's style and express thoughts in such a way that the reader is most interested in reading your book. You can sell your ebooks through Amazon or your own website. Either way, your ability to make $100 a day will depend on how much you charge for your book and how many copies you can sell. For example, at $10 a book, you would need to sell 10 copies a day. At $1 a book, this would require 100 copies, so it's very important to get the price right. Advantages: you can write about what you like. You can sell your books instantly through platforms like Amazon. Ebooks can generate passive income for a very long time if they are popular. No upfront investment required. Disadvantages: it may take some time before you start generating any income. If your book is poorly received on the internet, you may not earn anything. Become an online trainer. Are you a passionate fitness expert or maybe qualified as a therapist? Anyway, why not use your skills while teaching others online? Online coaches can have a high hourly rate, which means you won't have to work many hours to reach your $100 daily goal. As for the basics, you can easily do online coaching via Skype. You can promote your coaching services through social media, your channel, or your website. Part of the money can be invested in additional advertising, regardless of whether you have your own platforms for promotion or not. Advantages: you can earn on the acquired skills and knowledge. Excellent hourly pay. You don't have to work for many hours. Easy to teach, consult via Skype. No upfront investment required. Disadvantages: depending on your skills, for example fitness, this could be a highly competitive market. Start an online blog with affiliate links. An affiliate website is a site where you promote other people's products through blog articles or videos. Every time a user clicks on one of your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on the sale. Although it can take at least a year to build affiliate websites, they can be very profitable if done correctly. You can make at least $100 per day if you are a successful blogger and allocate time to commercialize your content with affiliate links. Advantages: no investment required. You can promote products that you like. Passive income after the website is up and running. You can reach a global audience. Disadvantages: it may take at least 1 year for your site to attract a large enough number of subscribers. Buying an online business that is already making money. If you are interested in running an affiliate website but don't want to spend a year developing further, you might want to consider buying an existing business. Keep in mind that you will need to shell out a significant amount of money to buy a business that brings in $100 daily. This will definitely be a 5-digit amount. Advantages: instant earnings. It's possible to purchase a pre-existing website with a strong readership. The ability to improve your business in your own way. Investment in a sector you are passionate about. Disadvantages: a potentially huge investment is required for a daily income of $100. Create a YouTube channel. Building a significant subscriber base on your YouTube channel won't be easy, as it can take at least a year before you start noticing any popularity. Therefore, subscribe and drop a like this video. By doing this, you will greatly support this channel. So, making $100 in advertising and video promotion is quite possible if you are willing to work hard. Travel vlogs, cooking videos, podcasts, or even uploading your PlayStation games. The possibilities are endless. Advantages: no investment required. You can create a channel about what you love to do. There is no limit to the amount you can earn over time. In most cases, no special equipment is required. Make money through advertising and video integrations. Disadvantages: it takes an incredible amount of time and effort to attract a large number of subscribers. Learn a new skill and make money with it as a freelancer. Those with in-demand skills can earn significant wages online. This applies equally to a web developer and an artificial intelligence consultant. Either way, with the right skills, you can even make $100 an hour. First, find out which high-paying skills are in high demand online, take an online course to gain the knowledge you need, and then join the freelance platform like Upwork. Advantages: skills that are in high demand pay very high rates. You can learn any skill you need. Lack of highly qualified specialists. You can set your own schedule. Disadvantages: you must be prepared to study a skill thoroughly before you start making money on it online. If you have watched this video from start to finish, now you have several options to consider in order to fulfill your goal of making $100 a day. As you now know, online earning opportunities will vary depending on your skills or the skills you are willing to master. In other words, some of the options listed require you to learn a new skill, while others can be done by just about anyone. The basic idea here is that if you really want to make $100 a day, you may need to make a lot of effort to reach this goal. But there is nothing terrible or impossible in this, just a certain amount of time and patience. Write in the comments what other ways you know to make money online.